Assalamu alaikum. Takabbalallahu minna wa minkum. May Allah accept good deeds from you and us. Dear friends, Eid greetings to everyone. As you know that today is a very special day, Eid al-Fitr, which is being celebrated across the world by Muslims. And in Bangladesh, we are also celebrating this great festival with enthusiasm. Now I am going to attend the Eid prayer, which is a significant religious observance marking the end of Ramadan. The spirit of Eid al-Fitr is brotherhood, cooperation and compassion. Actually, this great festival inspires us to build a harmonious and peaceful society. And on this special day, I wish you a warm and peaceful Eid. Thank you so much. May your day be filled with happiness and joy.